What happened to Comet ATLAS? That's the question to ask. Well, the comet disintegrated into smaller pieces. Our orbital telescopes were able to capture the event as it happened. And we have made a video of it, as you can see here. The comet is disintegrating gradually. For a comet, this is normal. Comets are made of ice and snow, and as you can see, there is a snowstorm there. It reached the brightness of magnitude 7 and then faded. But it is not the end of the Comet Atlas. Atlas is visible, will remain visible for a long time. But in the meantime, it seems that it was just a precursor to two more comets, Comets Lemmon and Comet NEOWISE. They will be bright. So watch this space.